Welcome to our channel. Today, we will be reviewing the Capsule Personal Dishwasher 2.0, a compact and innovative solution for those seeking convenience in their dishwashing routine. We will also discuss its Kickstarter program, which has garnered significant attention. The Capsule Personal Dishwasher 2.0 is designed for individuals or small households who require an efficient and space-saving appliance. This dishwasher is not only compact but also stylish, making it an ideal addition to any kitchen, especially in urban settings where space is at a premium. With dimensions that allow it to fit on most countertops, the Capsule Personal Dishwasher 2.0 is perfect for apartments, dorms, or even RVs. Its sleek design and modern aesthetics ensure that it complements your kitchen decor while providing functionality. One of the standout features of the Capsule Personal Dishwasher 2.0 is its advanced cleaning technology. It utilizes a combination of high-pressure water jets and a unique filtration system to ensure that your dishes come out sparkling clean. The dishwasher is capable of handling a variety of dishware, including plates, glasses, and utensils, making it versatile for everyday use. The Capsule Personal Dishwasher 2.0 offers multiple wash cycles, allowing users to select the appropriate setting based on the level of soiling. Whether you have lightly soiled dishes or heavily soiled pots and pans, this dishwasher can accommodate your needs. Additionally, it operates quietly, ensuring that it does not disrupt your daily activities. Another notable feature is its energy efficiency. The Capsule Personal Dishwasher 2.0 is designed to consume minimal water and electricity, making it an environmentally friendly choice. This is particularly important in today's world, where sustainability is a growing concern. Users have reported a positive experience with the Capsule Personal Dishwasher 2.0. Many appreciate its ease of use, as it requires minimal setup and can be operated with just a few buttons. The compact size does not compromise its cleaning power, and users have noted that their dishes come out cleaner than expected. Moreover, the dishwasher's portability allows it to be used in various settings. Whether you are at home or on the go, the Capsule Personal Dishwasher 2.0 can be easily transported, making it a convenient option for those who travel frequently. This model boasts several impressive features. With its advanced cleaning technology, the Capsule Personal Dishwasher 2.0 uses high-pressure jets and a unique filtration system to ensure your dishes come out sparkling clean. Its compact design allows you to wash up to 6 place settings at once, making it ideal for individuals or couples. The intuitive control panel offers multiple wash cycles, including a quick wash option for those busy days. Users have praised the Capsule Personal Dishwasher 2.0 for its ease of use and efficiency. Simply load your dirty dishes, select your desired cycle, and let the machine do the work. Sigmund Cantrell: I love how easy it is to use. It fits perfectly on my countertop, and I no longer dread doing the dishes. Leopold Woolery: the quick wash feature is a game changer. I can have clean dishes in no time. The Capsule Personal Dishwasher 2.0 is currently seeking support through its Kickstarter campaign. By backing this project, you can help bring this innovative appliance to market while enjoying exclusive rewards. Early backers will receive special pricing, limited edition colors, and even the opportunity to be among the first to own the Capsule Personal Dishwasher 2.0. Your support will not only help fund production, but also contribute to the development of future enhancements. If you are interested in simplifying your dishwashing routine and supporting innovative kitchen, the Capsule Personal Dishwasher 2.0 is an investment worth considering. In summary, the Capsule Personal Dishwasher 2.0 is more than just a compact appliance. It's a game changer for small living spaces, offering powerful cleaning performance without the bulk of traditional dishwashers. Whether you're a busy professional, a student in a dorm, or someone who values both convenience and sustainability, this dishwasher has something to offer. Don't miss out on the chance to be part of this innovative project. Head over to their Kickstarter page, linked below, to learn more and consider backing this exciting new product. By doing so, you'll be among the first to experience the convenience and efficiency of the Capsule Personal Dishwasher 2.0 in your own home. Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews on the latest and greatest in home technology. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time.